you're going to get a lot of help coming up here very soon because there's a brand new course coming on to Easton University, ECCP, Easton Cold Calling and Prospecting. Your formula for cold calling is this, and you're going to learn it in that course. It's kind of throughout the regular Easton University, but we're really going to just make it simple for you to understand. Your formula is this. You're going to, when they answer, you're going to let them know who you, or if they don't answer, either way, doesn't matter, who you are, how you're connected, okay? Then in most cases, if they answer, there's one case, the raise your hand call, and that the hook, so your recipe is this, who you are, how you're connected, that's 1, 2, who you are, how you're connected, and then the hook, okay? Different if Jason answers versus if Jason goes to voicemail. If Jason answers, the only 2 hooks I would use is, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing at Easton University so you can take a look when you have some time? Because if he answers and I start a long conversation, he's going to have all this cortisol and want to get the hell off the phone. So my hook is not going to be an insight hook if he answers the phone. You just have to trust me on this. If it is the first call, we are not saying there's something going on that every logistics manager is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. Because he's going to be like, I don't have time for this call right now. Can you email me? Which gets us going in the wrong direction. So if he does answer, let's just say, I wanted to reach out to you personally because I don't think we've helped your team yet. Can I shoot you over a link to what we're doing over here at Easton University so you can take a look when you have some time? He's going to now, I'm going to be the hero for putting out my own fire. And he's going to be, oh yeah, absolutely. I was just stepping in to donate a kidney, right? All his excuses that he had pre-wired because it's a salesperson call. Awesome. What's the best email for you? It's jason@gmail.com. Perfect. I'll send you something right now. Okay, now your question was, what do you put in that email? My answer to you is this, I really don't care. Here's why I don't care. I could care less whether Jason reads it or not. So I want the email to be very abbreviated and I want the email to be focused on my contact information. So the title of the email might be Matt Easton, pipe or vertical bar, 720-660-3202. And then it might be, we're a sales coaching company that helps mortgage brokers, bop, 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 bop. And that's it, okay? I don't want it to be a full-blown sales pitch. Because if you know too much information, I can't call you back. You're going to be like, I read the email. It's not a fit for us. So very little information, very focused on your contact information. Why are we doing this? We're doing this because now, guess what? Now we do have a relationship. Now I can call Jason back in a week and go, hey, Jason, I was thinking of, it's Matt Easton. We had spoke last week. I didn't get a chance to look at your email. No worries. Was thinking about you guys today, and there is something that every warehouse manager is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. What is it? Right now we're having a conversation. If I try and have that deep of a conversation, and it's our first time talking to each other, they're going to shut you down. And you don't want them to shut you down because we want to have a sustainable pipeline. So, and we're going through all of this in the ECCP class, but yeah, you're spot on. I really don't care on the email, just very high level, no PDFs, no salesy. For sure don't have the title of the email be a sales pitch, helping save your company money, helping reduce your cost of relocations, because they're going to put you in the salesperson folder. You need to be in the high authority folder. The other type of call where if they do answer, where you can do a hook without having to send them an email is, hey, the raise your hand call. Just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you need in terms of hard to finance mortgages for your high net worth clients that are maybe buying a second or third home, deal me in. I live and breathe this stuff. I think about it all night. I'm happy to help you whether you're a client or not, even if you just need a second opinion on what you're getting from another lender. I'm on my mobile, 720, let me give you my mobile, 720-660. Oh, thanks. Now again, same thing, he's in my sustainable pipeline. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're gonna see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also gonna have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're gonna see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.